Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yo, what the word? Oh man. What's up, homie? All right, hold on. Let me go ahead and show y'all what y'all want to see. All right, hold on. I think it's. Can y'all see my screen? Y'all can see the chart. Is it clear? Is it blurry? Like, let me know so I could before I start chatting. Y'all can see the screen. All right, bet. Bet. Made some cherries right now. Making cherries right now before we get going. How everybody feeling? How y'all doing? Um, welcome to the stream. If this your first time, hop on the stream with me. Um, I usually don't do this on Sundays. But I'm preparing for a big week. I ain't gonna lie. I think we about to have a big week, y'all. I'm one day away from another payout. Blessed, thank God. Yeah, man. It's that Sunday. I went to church today. Had a good word. If you're in the Discord, then you see the word that was brought to me today. I'm new to this. Walk me through. New to it. Like you never traded before, or like what? My stream. The stream is gonna be simple, right? If you never traded before, then you need to get my Discord right now. And then when you get in the Discord, just hit me up. Hit me up directly so that you can I can help you create your account like that. I've been in it. Uh, you got me at it. So you're in the All right, cool. So if you're in the Discord already, just like reach out to me on the side. Like I would never like reach out to you because there's a lot of people that do that and they scam. So I don't want to confuse anybody. So if you reach out to me, then I will give you my personal information and we can Don put me on. Don, trying to think. Don. I don't know. I know Don. I don't know. Anyway, so if you if you're in the Discord, then you will see my schedule. Donovan. Oh, okay. Okay. And so if this your first time on the stream and you never traded before, and you never like you don't have any account set up, you don't have your chart set up, nothing like that, then definitely pick me up on the side. If we talk about the same Donovan, he know where I'm at. So pull up to my crib. Um, I pull to my crib and then we'll get you set up. Whatever. That goes for anybody. If you guys don't have no account set up or nothing like that, then just reach out to me on my Discord, and then we'll set up a time where I could FaceTime you, or I'll share my screen with you and show you how to get started or whatever the case is. But anyway, welcome everybody. Happy Sunday. Like I said, I usually don't do this on Sundays, but I don't know. I just had a change of heart. I just felt like um Sunday night, Sunday night, right? So We'll get started here. Hope everybody had like a blessed weekend. You guys got a chance to relax, spend some time with your family. So I'm gonna try not to have this session. I like to get in and get out with the bag, and that's it. So hopefully the session isn't too long. I did not look at the markets at all today. So I'm gonna be going through it with you guys. Like I said, I usually don't trade on Sundays. I feel like you gotta give the market some time to breathe. But hey, with the tech that I got right now, this technology that we're using to trade, hey, it's too easy, man. Um, so for those of you that's been on the session before, I don't know if you like, I don't know if it's anybody on the session that's been on the session before. If you made money with me, you know, just drop something in the chat. Just drop some ones in the chat if you made money with me before on the session, or if you got on my session and you called out your own trade based off of what you're seeing on the bot. Um, to let the people that haven't been up here know. All right. Oh, we got some dollar signs. All right, I will do that. Drop some dollar signs. So Emily drop some dollar signs. Is that Emily? She been running it up, y'all. She been running it up. Yeah, yeah. Definitely made some money on the stream. On her own too, right? She got the bot now. So super proud of her. What's going on? But to anybody, right? If you're watching the stream live right now, or you're gonna watch the stream, like once it's posted, um, yeah, I'm basically just gonna be going over how to use this technology, this AI that I have. Connected to my trading view, and we're gonna try to make some money today. All right, I need about $800 left to secure my fifth payout on this one account, right? For those of you that don't know, I've been streaming for the past what is it, 23 days? How many sessions has it been? Probably like 23, no more than 23 days. Um, I've live streamed all the trades that I've taken on this one account, just to show you guys you can start off, how to start off, getting an account, passing the eval, and then making withdrawals. All right. So all of that is documented. So there's no fluff, there's no anything. You see my wins, you see my losses. I'll try to be fully transparent here, you know. But but yeah, consistency, discipline, that's all you really need. That's all you need. So, just stay with it. If you're getting started on your trading journey and you haven't made money yet, you know, everybody starts somewhere. I think my first trade I made like $8. Right? I tell the story all the time, and it wasn't about how much money I made. It was more about the skill set that I was learning. Like, was how the money was being made. So just stick to it. Stay consistent. Stay disciplined. Don't rush. Um, Slow and steady. You know, if you've been on my session before, I always say this: slow is smooth, smooth is fast. All right, before you know it, you'll be making enough money. But it's not about the money. Learn the skill, and it's something that no one can ever take away from you. Once you guys learn how to ride a bike, it don't matter how long you have on a bike. It's already you just know how to do it, right? So it's the same thing. So treat it as such. Something that can uh, definitely change your life if you take your time with it. So don't push it to success. It's going to come to you. Just keep planting that seed, keep watering it, and then you'll see it grow. All right. So without further ado, I know I'm chatting a lot. Let's get to these markets because, like I said, I'm not trying to be up, you know, out here all night for real. So what we're going to do is a top-down analysis. All right. It is July 12th. It is Sunday, July. Um, Last week, I want to say last week. So from Tuesday, June, what was it? June 30th. That last week? Yeah, Friday. Oh, here we go. All right, so last week, starting here, Monday, market was basically trending down. Wednesday it started pushing back up, and then we ended Friday in this area, right where the week started at. All right, and then since the market's been open, it's just been pushing to the downside. And these are hourly candles. Okay, so like I said, for that person that's just now getting started and don't know anything, these candlesticks, right, just represent time, right? Where it's at is the price, which is over here to the right. And to keep the long story short, a red candle, that just means that price opened up higher than where it's at and where it closed. Okay. If you see a green candle, then price opened up at the bottom and closed up at the top of where it was. All right. So with that being said, the past few hours, since the market has been open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hours, right? The market just going down. All right. We're in a demand level of demand zone right now. But it's breaking through this level. So it's breaking through this point of interest here where, in the past it's bounced off and went up. But it's a lot of selling pressure and we're just gonna trade with the trend. So the hourly time frame is basically just telling us the market's going down right now. All right. Screen blurry. Somebody said the screen is blurry. Is it blurry? I really don't know how to fix it. Um
You want me to check and see?
yeah, see if what's going on.
Go back because it's
First of all, I want to give a shout out to everybody, or everybody who subscribed to me already, everybody who's been liking, everybody who's been sitting here viewing with me, trading with me. Shout out to y'all. I want we all right. So last week, I think we started with 3 subscribers. We're now at 63. We hit 33 new subscribers within the past 2 days, bro. Well, like the 2 streaming days. All right, so shouts out to y'all, everybody that's tuning in, everybody that's seeing what's going on. You guys really do help, help me, just want to be better as a trader. And then I like the community. We have like some good conversations up here. It's not always about trading. We're just having fun. So, let me know. M is the screen still blurry? It's not looking blurry on my side from this. It looks pretty clear to me. Hold on. That's good. It's good now. All right. So if it goes out or whatever, I'm sorry. Coop, Coop. What's good? Coop is back. Coop is back, man. Shouts out to my boy Coop. He made some money with us last week as well. But anyway, so like I said, if anybody has any questions, uh, don't be afraid to say something in the chat. It could be something good, it could be something bad. I mean, if y'all like to joke, whatever, like say whatever. I'm not like, a sensitive person. All right. So if you feel like my trade idea is bad, let me know. Cause maybe in your eyes you see something different. Um, or whatever. But we'll let time tell. I don't think there's any wrong way to trade in this market. You just have to find your edge. So if you haven't found your edge yet, then just like I said, just give it some time. Um, you know, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. All right. So I just did my hourly analysis. I believe that price is going to continue to go down. So o'clock, since 11 o'clock started, we have been getting some pushes down. All right, the first 15 minutes just finished, right? Like 2 minutes ago. We had an arrow at 8:45 saying that price is going to continue down. Now, if you guys know how to use the bot, all we're looking for is price to be below the white EMA, and we're looking for uh, a red EMA as well, along with a red arrow, and obviously, like right here, these two blocks is showing us that sellers are in control compared to the buyers. All right, so we're going to try to play off of that. Right now, we are getting some momentum to the downside. Um, and just from here to this next point of just the demand level, it's some good movement. Like I said, you don't have to wait for me to get into a trade. If you see something that you like, go ahead and trade. If you're looking at the bot the same way I am, obviously make sure on your computer that you have your times correct. Like it says on this candle right here, make sure that it's 11:15 or whatever the candlestick started with. Like make sure you're on the correct times. All right, that's big. That's big. Okay. Um, because there's people that may click on the live and then you pause it and you didn't realize you paused it and now you're a couple seconds behind or whatever the case is. So I really like what's going on. We getting breakthrough structures down here. I didn't even like turn my account on. So let's go ahead and log in real quick. So if you don't know, I'm using an Apex account, Apex 50K account. We're currently up 62,000 on the account. Obviously, if I've taken quite a few payouts already. We really made more than that, but that's all you're gonna see have in the account. Oh wow! So the bot called out a sell here. We would have already won, but that was at 8:35. So we was obviously was on the session and we missed it. But this is like the perfect setup. Like the old oh my god! You enter here. Let's just see what it would have looked like off this entry right here. All right, so you would have seen this yellow candle. Price is obviously below the white EMA. You have the red EMA, and then you have a red arrow. This it's an A plus setup when you see a yellow candle. All right, don't be afraid. Just take the trade. All right, obviously we want to sell. Buy. So let me flip that. But you'll use this stop loss here. And now, rule of thumb, the trade isn't invalid all out of the scanner unless a candlestick closes above this level. All right. So if it closed above this level, then it's invalid. You could set your stop loss here and leave it, and if it tags you out, that's cool. That's your risk. But for the most part, every trade that I take, I risk about $300 to $400. Depending on the movement, maybe like 400 to 500. So I probably would have my stop loss a little higher anyway, right? So like around here, we would have never got tagged out. It just would have been dumping. I mean, if you was trying to pass an eval, you would have passed it in this one move off of that. But obviously, the bot gives you targets. This target was smacked in 10, 15 minutes. All right, so think about that. $800 in 15 minutes. I mean, just understanding how to read a bot. All right, all the hard work for you. I always say like the goal isn't to sit here and trade all day, like sit here and just watch the charts all day. All right. The goal is to, you know, make have more freedom. All right. So if you have a bot like this, you don't have to sit here and watch the charts. It's going to tell you when to enter, when to exit. Um, and yeah, I really like this setup already that's happening. So I'm a lock in real quick, just so we can get up out of here, nice and easy. So obviously we missed the call out, but you can play off of these breaker structure levels. Now I would have liked to have caught it like right here, and also like right now, what's going on. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna see if I can catch this like slight little pullback right here. We obviously know that price is going down. It's about getting a good entry at this point, without having to risk too much. I don't want to get caught up in the trade while it's pulling back because then now I'm taking an unnecessary loss. So I see if the next candle um just pulls back a little bit for us, maybe even touching this EMA before I enter on like for sales. Any questions so far? I mean, it looks good. It looks like it's ready to go. I don't wanna rush. The momentum is there for sure though. Momentum is for sure there. Let's get it. Okay. Racing get home so I can get on the charts. I had to drop shorty off. Yo, my boy Yada is on the call. Let's get it. Yada, you going I ain't gonna lie. You might You might finish that account tonight. I think you should. What does the yellow mean? The yellow where? Like the yellow line. Wait, hold on. Here? Or are you talking about this yellow, like where the numbers Imma just explain both. This yellow is the entry, right? It's just saying this is an entry right here. And this yellow is the stop loss, right? So there's probably some shooters that got in this trade already. The yellow line is like an entry. That's just saying like that's an entry. So I trade minis and like the movement of price is a little bit more. If you're trading micros, then you definitely have a pretty um you can stretch your stop loss a little bit more. But I have to be very precise with my entry because a small pullback can kick me out of a winning trade. All right. I added you, just hit me up after the stream. I got questions and stuff. All right, cool. Not for sure. Got you, bro. Got you. But you can ask your questions here. It may be that the question that you have may be something that somebody else wants to ask as well. Number one allow, try and learn, teach support and resistance. Support and resistance. Okay. All right. So I'll try to do it as brief as possible. Um, when it's in a nice spot. Um, Keep it short and simple, right? Support and like look at it like a floor ceiling. Okay. So everybody lives in a house or somewhere where there's a floor and a ceiling, right? Or apartment, whatever, wherever you're at. There's a floor and a ceiling. So you want support is like your floor, right? So it's the bottom of the trade. All right. My bad. I'm super locked in because I really want to catch this on the way down. I want to catch this. I want to catch this. And it's pulling back like I want it to. Oh man. So support is like the floor, resistance is like your ceiling. So think of like the market inside of a home or whatever, right? Now, inside of the home, um, you can sorry, y'all. Inside the home, you can go from the floor and then touch the ceiling. All right, so that's what the market is doing basically like all day is touching the floor, touching the ceiling. Now, um, depending on like your strategy and what you're looking for, you could be looking for a price to bounce off of these levels, like that support level from the floor back up to the ceiling, or looking for price to bounce off of the ceiling back to the floor. Okay, there's some strategy where you're waiting for price to either go through the floor or go through the ceiling. All right. So if I had to like visually show you guys, right, you can look at this supply zone and this demand zone as support and resistance levels. So your demand zone is the floor, the supply zone is the ceiling. All right. So once price bounces off of the ceiling, where is it gonna go next? What's up, Fruitsy? I'm not in anything yet. I'm just showing like a possible idea. I'm looking for shorts right now. But I was explaining support and resistance. So Yada, like I don't know if like so far, like is am I going over it his head or like am I breaking that down support and resistance like in a understandable way? I'm trying to like do like analogies. Oh well. Did I explain support and resistance in a way that can understand? So I'm on a 5 minute time frame. We're trading NQ. For those of you that don't know what NQ is, it's the top 100 companies in one basket. All right. So right here, the maps. Let me refresh it for today. All right. So like in Nas 100, you have Nvidia, Apple, Google, Netflix, SpaceX, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, Walmart, Pepsi, all this stuff, right? I don't know all 100. Don't need to know all 100. Just have an idea of is what you're actually trading in. All right. So Nvidia, Apple, Google, clearly take up most of the market space in the Nasdaq, right? Um, so if one of these are moving or doing something, it's going to affect the Nasdaq more than maybe what is this down here? Baker Hughes. Okay, it's not going to affect the market as much if Baker Hughes is moving, but it's still a part of the top 100 companies in the world. And all these are just like I said, it's just one basket creating a Nasdaq, which we're now trading. All right. Just based off this map, it looks like it's a lot of red, it's a lot of green. It's pretty mixed, pretty mixed. I don't trade based off of that. But if I do see a lot of green, then I'm looking for buys. If I see a lot of red, then this here is our news. So we don't have any news tonight, so we should be good. Let's see, going into London, which I don't think we will have to go into London tonight, but still no news. 5 a.m. we got USD news, but very low impact, so it shouldn't affect the markets too much. Um, what else? What else? What else? I go back to the chart. All right, so we're starting to get that pullback that I was looking for, that I wanted to wait for before price decides to go back down. So that's good. Let's see, any questions? You said, but he's got to get more accustomed to the terminology. Yeah, that's why, like, I could say support, resistance, supply, demand zones, all this stuff, and then it will still go like over people's heads. So that's why I try to the floor and the ceiling aspect of it. But um, I mean, if you see me right now, like it's once you learn the language, it's simple. Like trading is not hard, y'all. Like, it looks like all right, hold on. Let me stop chatting. So I like this candle right here. Let's see if we can catch this. Let's see if we can catch this on the. All right, I'm gonna wait now. I'm gonna wait because 1 minute is telling me that this point of interest, this demand zone, may push price up a little bit more before like falling. But we see a lot of red, so my bias is still the same. I'm not taking buys or anything like that, but I don't think it's ready yet based off the 1 minute. So hopefully this is a false arrow. This is a trading against the trend. We don't like that. We want to trade with the trend. Like you don't have to know how to trade to know like, all right, if you look at this thing holistically, right? Which direction is it going? Down or up, y'all? Said, dang, your quality, you're in a CRT. I don't know what that means. This is a false arrow. We are in a point of interest. It's gonna wait. We're gonna wait before we take these sales. The 1 minute has a lot of noise. That's why I trade off the 5, but I do take my entries off the 1. So price is pulled up. That's what we want to see right here. Breaking back through. Yep, there we go. I don't even need $1,000 tonight, but we're gonna try to make like 850. That's my goal tonight. I like these candles. I like these candles. See if we can find a good entry. What time is it? 11:30. A really good entry would be if price pushes up, um, takes out this fair value gap, and then comes back down. Like that would be the most ideal entry, to be the safest. But price could just, it could just push down on some like, and then we'll play off of that as well. But right now, like I said, I don't want to lose a winning trade just because I got excited. Uh, I'm on the charts now. Just let us know when to sell. Hey, you got the bot right here with you too. You could take your own trade. If you ready to go, then go ahead, do your thing. All right, here we go. That's what I want to see right there, y'all. Y'all see that? All right, now we just, oh, I am in this personally. We'll see. I got two trades in me tonight. Hopefully Price do his thing. Like I said, the goal I want to make like about 8. But my daily goal is, 300-400 before I start, protecting. So let's see what Price decides to do. Maybe this could be a quick session. We are 30 minutes in on the session. It shouldn't take a long time. Diamonds on diamonds on diamonds. Look at you.
Oh shit.
What the who? Let's go, Price. Come on. Show me something nice. On the higher time frames, we're getting a lot of I mean, we are in a demand zone, but it looks like it's pushing point of interest. So we'll see what Price decides to do. See what Price decides to do. 15-minute looks good. Looks good for us. Like I said, if we do get tagged out, um, this fair value gap here on the 15 and on the 5 right here as well. You know, I can see if it pulls back, I can see Price wanting to grab that and then push back down, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. On chart now, just let me know when it's what I put for my TP. Um, right on my chart, it's at 29, 649. Um, but hit your daily goal. Like hit your daily goal. Like I just got mine at that level because if price continues to push down tonight, that's where I'm gonna like completely stop. But if I don't like what price is doing, I'm gonna take at 400 or 300. I'm gonna start protecting my trade around that time as well. So that way we don't turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Momentum. To the downside, obviously. We are in the demand zone. Shit, what's going on? All right, so we get some pushes up. See what price decides to do. So for those of you that don't know, when you're in demand zones, you look for buys. When you're in supply zones, you look for sales. All right, so we're in a where price has bought before, but this is on the minute time frame. It's a lot of noise, so it could just be pulling back for a little bit before selling off completely. So give it some breathing room.
Oh, I put it too hard. Take me out.
What? Just stop.
Take me out.
All right, so another supply zone was created. I'm probably about to get stopped out. You would do. See if it wants to go get the fair value gap. I got tagged out. So if you're still in the trade, then hopefully you're using proper risk management based off your account. I'm gonna try to take one more. I'm gonna wait for it to. I'm gonna wait for it to tag this fair value gap, and then start trending on its way back down. All right, so yeah, my P&L is at -5. We're gonna take one more trade. We got 7 likes. Smash that like button, y'all. If you're new, subscribe. So we catch this on the way back down again. Here we go. This wick is showing me that it's a lot of selling pressure right here. It almost fully tagged this fair value gap, which is good. So this candle closes. Like I said, we want to trade with the trend. We want to continue to trade with the trend. It's a downtrend. Yes, price will push up sometimes, but we want to catch these moves to the downside. All right, we're gonna shoot again. See what price decides to do. New 15-minute about to start. First 15-minute gave us like a doji looking candle, but same thing. Price is on its way down, so hopefully, we caught at the right time this time. If we can get some pushes past this level, then she's out of here. Um, I'm gonna bring this down some. I was right there with him. I'm talking about to get cooked. I'm about to get cooked tonight or no? What y'all thinking? Y'all let me know. 10K profit. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm up right now. Well, I don't trade on Sundays, so I don't know. Market might try to cook me tonight. But I'm like one trading day away from another payout. It's my second entry. It reversed as soon as I entered. Let me see. Hopefully, just tag this fair value gap and drop again. But I like this wick. This wick is it's a lot of selling pressure. It didn't fully tag this fair value gap out. Trying to cook me tonight, y'all. All right. Thank you. I don't like how she moving, chat. And made some money. Emily made some money. She took the buys, made 300 and got out. That's how you do it. Good stuff. I'm long and strong, looking for 770. Are y'all going against me? I bet. Nice. 770. Oh, 29, 770. Okay, I can see that. That's where, well, on the 1 minute chart, um, that's where the supply zone is. So I see it going back to that level. Getting cooked, y'all. I'll tell y'all this. If I lose tonight, I will never trade on Sunday ever again. That's fair. I'm disciplined, so I'll take my L. I'm gonna win the week. That's if I take a L. It's looking bad though. Market cooked me. Yeah. I don't know. I like the shorts still. Where does it go? My head. I can't. Yeah, the Bears are definitely in the market right now. All right, now price is coming off of supply zone. Yeah, I know. It's gonna sell off. The second time it's sold from this price. My entry's just been horrible. Had some bad entries. Good price is hard to do. Oh, the noodles. Just remember we're one tweet away from a 300-point rally. That's facts. The on the news and stuff though. Like I don't do a lot of research if I'm being honest. I tell people all the time, like, I really don't care about trading. I like it. I've been doing it for a while. But to sit here on the charts or like, go crazy about like what the economy is doing, nah. I don't know. Is that crazy? I know how to make money out the market. All right. Promise y'all this is my last one. If I lose, I'm done. I'm getting off. I'm not even gonna say bye. I'm just gonna leave. Oh, excuse me. I'm not in yet. Said man, last month's been crazy for me. I had to switch to M&Q up in this session. Tough. Need a good pullback before I short it. Before I short this again. Tough. That's what's up. See, look, this is why I do it though. I got my screen up, and y'all can take the trades that y'all feel is right. However you see the market, you don't have to take the trades that I take. That's not the point. Is to find your edge. What are you good at? Like some people see the market like bullish all the time. Like they just always see it bullish, even if it's trending down. They just know how to catch buys back, like back up. And then there's people that see it very bearish. Like they're better at catching sales in the market. Some people do both. Oh, that's what's up. I mean, hey man. Hopefully, hopefully I bring a different vibe. You know. Oh, Bullish Gods is back. What's up, Bullish Gods? Oh, we 0-2. We 0-2. Bullish Gods was with me on a very humbling night. I was down that night. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking like the same type of night though. All right, y'all. It's my last one. I swear. I promise you. I promise you. This is my last one. Nah, Mark is really trying to cook me. Why is it doing this? It's my last one though. I promise you. I promise you. I really don't care for it to hit my target. I just need to see some profit so I can trail it. Are you in? Yes, I just took a short again. Yes, sir. Yeah, smash that like button. Y'all see what's going on? I be chilling, y'all. I be chilling. Don't make trading harder than what it needs to be. Nah, she really trying to cook me tonight. This is the third time this happened. As soon as I close my computer, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna see price full crazy. I'm using Anchor VWAP with 3 deviations. See, first deviation below VWAP and about $6 above the 15-minute fair value gap. I want to see a fake out up there. I'm gonna say this. I mean, out of all the strategies that I've heard of, I haven't heard that one. So maybe you could teach me something, bro. Wait, J Ray, is this your first time on this session? I feel like I don't remember seeing your name. Or have I? J Ray? Trying to think. There we go. Go ahead, melt. I need my get back. All right, so this is what we're gonna do since we already like down bad. We're gonna trail this. We're gonna trail this till we can't no more. Cause like I said, y'all, I need to be plus 800 tonight to get my payout. So hopefully it don't whip me out coming back to the entry. But let's see, it's 12 a.m. We starting off pretty good. Don't whip me out. There we go. Let's go. So you can't give up on yourself. Now this was supposed to be the first, we would have been in and out of here, but let's see if price decides to melt and let us trail her. All right. So we're pretty zoomed in on 1 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute. 5 minute, we got a lot of room. We got a lot of room down here for price to, get to. So hopefully the momentum drags it down before, pulling up, taking us out the trade. First time you see me on my feed, been trading strictly futures for 3 years now. Tough. What app is this? It's not an app. This is a bot. If you want the bot, oh, that's what I gotta tell y'all. It is 3 days. No, no, this week. This week. If y'all want the bot, hold on. Matter of fact, I'm about to put the link in the chat. Right? It is free. You get a 3-day trial. You gotta pay for the bot. I'm not gonna lie. But if you know what you're doing, for the next week, right, you get a 3-day trial, right? To use it. If you like it, then obviously, you wind up getting it. If you don't like it, then cool. It'll just go off your trading view. So it's not an app. It's a this is a bot that I'm using on TradingView. Let me find. How do I get the? I get. Hopefully, price just decides to just. As y'all seen, I didn't do too much research. I didn't do too much. Marking up my chart. I literally opened up my computer and then I took the trades that I believe that the bot called out. Um, I just took the trades that coincided with what I know that the direction that the market is going. Right. So it wasn't a bunch of, if you don't know anything about trading, or if you're new to trading and you want to get in where you can make money without as you're learning, this is a good tool to use. Like I didn't get this um when I first started trading. And I've been for like going on 7 years now. Um and literally just recently, like these past few months, um, I've been using this bot, and I've had some I pretty much went the past 23 sessions with 3 days being unprofitable out of the 23 sessions. There was only 3 days I was unprofitable, like trading days. I was unprofitable um, in the past 23 sessions. So two things. This is what I'm about to do. Two things, right? Dang, I should have had this link up before I even got on. All right. And then if you need help with getting access to the bot, I'm gonna put it in my Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, you're not gonna see it. I'm not gonna put it on my YouTube thing. Go to the link in my description. You're gonna put my Discord. Those of you that's in my Discord, y'all gonna be able to get access to the bot for this week. You have basically like 3 days to try it out. Like I said, if you like it, then all right. So the link is in the Discord. When you go to it, it should have my name, everything. When you click on, at first you're gonna have the price, right? So if you click on the price and you scroll down, you're gonna see something that says $0. All right, and you'll be able to have access to the bot. It says $0. So it will look like this. Close. You trades just made 300. You made another 300 on top of the 300 that you just made, Emily. She made $600 on a session, y'all. Come on, stop playing with her. Yeah, I'm using Apex Prop Firm. Should trail profit, my guy. Yeah, wrap up some profit. Oh, nah, for sure. Hold on. So let me just explain this first. All right, so in my Discord, right, you're gonna see something like this. Right, go to the free one though. Don't you don't have to click on the one that costs money. Go to the free one. Put in your information or whatever, and then you'll have access to this. So like, I don't trade all day every day, you know. So if I'm not trading and you want to have access to something like this, so you can trade and make it easy for you, that's there for you guys. But I use it personally, so y'all see me use it like every day. But I bought that one. All right, so now that price has kind of like left out entry, I'm gonna just I don't want to get stopped out too soon because, like I said, I'm trying to get my get back. I'll put it down at this fair value gap, so I'll leave with something at least. But I want to give it some breathing room. Uh, because I took two losses, I am down. So I'm really just trying to at least get back break even and some, I guess. Keep on stacking cheese. Making proud of me. I wear proud of tea. Proud of tea. He's wild. Real talk. I got 6 watch. I'm ahead of time. It's not mine. I've been on my grind. Feel like I'm different. I'm one of a kind. Put your break in bed. Keep it over the bar. Baby, you look better, nigga. You should take it off. Charge. Just got up a road and make the brother take the charge. If y'all made some money, go ahead, smash that like button for me. If y'all made some money, drop some dollar signs in the chat. See what price doing in 1 minute. Feel like it's running through some type of turbulence over here, but hopefully it's not too heavy where we can push through to the downside some more. It literally been selling for 4 hours. I mean, I think it would suck if you know the 1 hour 11 o'clock that we decided to get on, wants to reverse. So hopefully, 12 o'clock wants to follow suit with everything else. I mean, dang, if we would have entered like right at 11, we would have been able to eat off of all of this. But like I said, entry is very important. So let's see what 12 o'clock decides to do. We're gonna market structure break on the 1 hour. I'm like, wow. Um, I just want price to come down to this point of interest, and then we'll have a great day. I like that. That's what I like right here. That's what I like to see right here. Go ahead, dump. Go ahead, dump, shorty. Yo, do anybody else call ramen noodles, oodles and noodles? I don't like the candles jumping. What you, what you mean? Oh, look at that. That candle crazy. I ain't gonna lie. We need some pushes to the downside. I don't know where all this volatility is coming from. I mean, it's not like a lot of volatility, but like I said, hopefully we can get back to break even at least. At least. Still got yeah. Nothing to prove. That's tough. Spilling my you up, I jumped out, just jumped in. Yeah, take your bread. Take your bread. Like I said, I trade minis, so um I could lose a lot, I can make a lot within a matter of time. If you're in micros, um then your losses probably aren't as much as mine. And you can give your trade a little bit more room to breathe. Hold on, don't tag me out. Not yet. Hold on. I'm gonna give it this EMA to bounce off of if it needs to. I'm not trying to get tagged out. We got a pretty good entry. For a minute, this for whole lot of the heck. All right, let's see how it does off of this. Oh, come on, man. I gotta learn to stay. Yeah, I mean, so I like if you're just getting started to build confidence. I always say just take your like so like before when we used to trade on there was a platform called not a platform, it was an app called MetaTrader 4. And when you were up, the screen was blue. So that's when I was learning, that's how it was. And the saying was if it's blue, it's on you. Meaning like, yo, you profit. Like and the way that you made money today, like even if it was $1, you know, don't take that for granted. Like, you know, take your bread, protect it at least. So understand that when you're in profit and the trade is running in the direction that you want it to go, you know, just protect the trade. Let it do its thing. Let it run. Like, it's not gonna go in a straight line in whatever direction. So it's gonna fluctuate. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna scare you because it wants you to get out. So you know, it's two different mindsets to it. Either take your money, like take when you see it, when you see something you like, take it, or protect your capital. At least, at the very least. Yes, you probably didn't win, but you didn't lose either, and that's the goal. It's not about how much you make. You can make a lot of money, but, you know, it's just about protecting your profit. Like, I seen something that was like, to be a profitable trader, it's like, wait, I don't wanna say it the wrong way, but it's like the best loser wins, if that makes sense. Meaning, right, I could be the person that takes 10 trades 9, I win 1, but because of my 9 losses, uh, I didn't, like, do anything to jeopardize what was in my account. I could still wind up having a more profitable day than, you know, someone else who isn't necessarily protecting their capital. So it's not about, like, how you can lose a lot, but if you're, um I just wanna say this correctly. If you're, taking the right risk, like, you're managing your risk, then you're still in the game. Like, live to trade another day. Don't do anything that's gonna, like, blow your account, and then you'll be fine. The only thing about, like, not taking your bread when you see it, like, right now, I'm up 500. I could just take it, right? And then you would think, like, "Oh, maybe I'll get another trade." I don't like to trade like that. I don't like to take a bunch of trades. I'm not that type of trader. Yeah, take your base hits and be done. Because, like I said, the goal really is to well, I don't wanna say the goal, but, like, everybody's, like, process. For me, everybody's process is different. For me, I wanna scale. So, like, scale out and have, like, a bunch of accounts. So, on Apex, you can have up to 20 accounts. Let's just say, right, right, I'm only trading 1 account right now, but let's just say, you know, I'm on 5 accounts, right? I'm on 5 accounts, and I make 200 on each account. I That's $1,000 a day, you know? So those base hits, if you learn how to do those base hits on 1 account, then you really can run it up. Like, you could really run it up. Like, what's the numbers on, hold on. Let's say you make 200 on the 20 accounts. That's $4,000. You made $200 copy trading. It's not like you did 20 accounts separately. You did that once. You did all of that at once, you know? So, don't be afraid to take that 200. Train your brain to take the 200 because that's what you're gonna be doing if you have multiple accounts anyway. I try to trade 5 accounts when I F up big. Like, you're copy trading it or you're doing them one at a time? Don't tag me out, bro. Imma be tight, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, chill out, chill out. Respect this 1-minute EMA, which I don't believe it is, but hopefully it respects it and continues its trend. That's what we wanna see. We wanted to respect this and like, you know, little pullback to do this again. Another little pullback to do this again. Right now, one at a time, because I'll blow up my accounts. Well, are you well, before you even get into a trade, do you know what you're risking? Last 2 weeks I've been bet Yeah, are you like, before you even get in, do you know what you're risking? That will save you from blowing your account. And then, like, if you realizing that you're having a bad day, you gotta be able to walk away from the charts. I'll be holding a bad trade too long. Yeah, see? That mean that you're making a decision. You supposed to already know before you get out good, trade fast. Yeah. I mean, it's part of the process. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm perfect. I still make mistakes too, like, when it comes to that. I think one of my biggest things is like, could like, because I know for some reason I just know that I'm gonna win. So I continue to trade when I know my real rule is, no more than 2 trades a day. Like, as you see here, like, I took an extra trade today. I shouldn't have done that. I should have been done. But, like, hold on. But, like, I would say, like, to fix the hold the bad trade thing too long, before you even enter into a trade, you should know what you're risking. It shouldn't be on some, like, "Alright, like, um, we'll figure it out as we're going." Like, you don't wanna trade like that, because then your emotions are gonna get the best of you while you're in your trade. "Oh, if I just hold it a little longer, it's gonna drop." Like, no. Like, me personally, the reason why I scalp, like, I like to be in and out the market, like, I can't swing trade or position trade or technically day trade for real. Like, I like to scalp. The reason why is because I need to know if I'm wrong right now. I need to know if I'm right now. I'm not about to wait a day or a couple hours to know that I'm wrong. I can't trade like that, like, because 'cause I'll be even more mad that I took all that time waiting to see what the trade gonna do. So, like, it's okay to lose, right? Just make sure that your losses are smaller than your wins. So if you know that you like your base hits that you like to take are 200, $300, then your losses should be about the same. You shouldn't your losses shouldn't be like, all right, I'm gonna do 300, 400, 500, and then every time you see $150, you just take it because then now you're doing it backwards. That's going back to what I was saying. Like, the best loser wins. You should be able to lose a couple trades in a row and then win one good trade. And well, I don't know which part was funny. The best loser wins. Like, it's true though. I ain't gonna lie. That's really the thing. Like, that's the best way to trade. Like, you're gonna lose, and that's okay. It's part of the game. It's just controlling it. You good though. Just live to trade another day. Like, you gotta like think with that mindset. Like, all right, David Banner, Siren, Siren, my guy. I seen you made some bread today. You put some shorts earlier before the session. Shout out to Siren, all the way from Argentina, yo. That's tough, my boy. Oh, yo, Siren, I never asked you. I need to know if you had to choose between River Plate and Boca Juniors, who you going for? What's your team? Don't forget to like it. Yeah, yes, sir. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the likes. Appreciate all the subscribers. Yeah, really making my training journey a lot more fun, a lot more exciting. Hence why I'm on a live session at 11 on a Sunday. Never done before. Never did that before. I do not trade on Sundays. Don't trade Sunday night. If anything, I might do a New York session Monday morning and then again at 11 p.m. on Monday. But a Sunday night, nah. But we're gonna go 11 p.m. the rest of this week till Thursday. We're gonna run this market up. But appreciate all the likes, all the subscriptions. You know, where we from? Where we from? We got a few people on the live tonight. Where everybody from? Anybody from New York on here? Anybody from New York? Hawaii. That's tough. I want to go to Hawaii, bro. I hear Hawaii and I think about like I be forgetting that people like live there for real. I just think it's like I just feel like the whole state is just like I don't want to say a resort, but like the whole state is just vacation time. Like that's what I think when I hear Hawaii. Okay, West Coast. That's tough. West Coast in the building. West Coast like Cali, like Arizona, or like Oregon. Flush it. Nice ejection from 21 man. 3 minute. Yeah. Yeah. Price starting to dump a little bit now. If only this could have been the first trade of the day. I'm trying to get my get back right now, y'all. Oh, it's crazy. He just said that. He literally almost said it at the same time. I'm in San Diego till 2020. In Washington now. That's tough. San Diego. Actually, yo, you know what's crazy about San Diego? I went there. I got family in Cali, right? So I went there. They're not in San Diego, but I was in San Diego at the time, and I got this is what I got. I'm gonna show y'all my tattoo. Oh, y'all gonna see me in my PJs. Hold on. So look, I got this for San Diego. I got this while I was in San Diego. I don't know if y'all seen that. So shouts out to San Diego. I got me a chat while I was out there. Got me a nice SE area, the table or the drawer. I'm confused. But yeah, I got that tattoo when I was in San Diego. Got some palm trees. Oh, yeah, southeast. Oh, like what area of San Diego I was in? I ain't gonna lie, I have no idea, bro. I just know I just know I was by a beach. I just know it was like literally on the beach. And then it was like a little town. It was dang, I don't even know, bro. The table of the drawer. That's crazy. If that's the name of the time, I don't think it was that. I think I would have remembered that. I ain't gonna lie. I think I would have remembered that. I need to go back. True love visitor is Tim and himself of San Diego. Let's go. Let's go, Yachty. You done? Wait, did you pass the account with that? Or you still got a little bit more you gotta go? For real. He said, yeah, it might reverse. But everybody getting nervous, yo. Y'all nervous? I think it's gonna reverse on me. We'll move out. We'll move out stop a little bit. It's saying sellers are still in control of the market right now. But like I said, I'm trading based off of I know y'all be having like all types of research and knowing all this stuff. It's possible. I don't know. I don't know what the market gonna do. I don't know if it's gonna reverse. I don't know if it's gonna keep dumping. For real, yeah. To reverse. I want it to keep dumping. Shit, and I crashed the other shit. I just got this Apex. Oh, the top step? You was right there though. Tap in, trading fuck top step. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I like top step, but like it's just some stuff that just I don't know. I feel like it's easier to trade on trading. Even though Top Step is technically connected to you, I can't put my butt on Top Step though. So I don't know. And it's weird. Like I do a lot better. I just trade better with Apex on TradingView. Like just in general, like my results, like when I look back at my results, and my profitability, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just the visual. I don't know. I tried to make myself as comfortable as I can. You know, I got two Top Step accounts. But I rarely trade them. I don't even trade them like that. I was supposed to get a Lucid account. Matter of fact, it's not too late. It's still the beginning of the week. I've been saying this for like the past like 3 or 4 sessions. I was gonna get a Lucid account. Lucid 50K. Who got Lucid? Anybody trade on Lucid account right now? I do have premium TV account. Premium TV. J Rim. Um, 1K away from passing an Apex or the Lucid. J Rim, you got a Lucid account? Okay, y'all like Lucid? I don't think I could connect my Lucid to I gotta find out. Oh, matter of fact, if does Lucid use Tradeovate? You can get a Tradeovate for Lucid. We almost back at break even, y'all. All right, so if I got trade of it, if I can get the trade of it, then I should be able to trade on trading view with the Lucid. You better whisper my name. You maxed on Lucid. Lucid pay fast. I heard somebody told me that they pay in one day, but they said that and then they never had a pay. So I'm like, how do you know? Like they going based off of I mean, I think I've seen it say something like that, but not a fan of Lucid on the trade of it. Some about top stop to platform. It's basically trading view, just less custom features. Yeah. I mean I like Top Step. I do. I think it's actually like one of the better prop firms to trade with. I just for some reason I don't know. Like I don't it's like I'll be struggling to be comfortable with Top Step. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. Maybe I'm just not as locked in. Like when I open up a TradeAvate account and I see just like that platform, like how the trading is, like I feel like I'm in like some like stock exchange office. I don't like that. Like that's too much for me. So taking it from there to TradingView, it's cleaner. It looks more. Oh, you just spiked up. Well, I hope it continues to fall so I can make my 8 like I said I was going to do in the first place and get up out of here. But actually, this is I wasn't planning on being on a session this long, but like it's an hour 30. However you want to look at it, we up $72. How many people make $100 and that's like $50 an hour? You did it. This is how the first trade was supposed to go, y'all. I don't know what's going on these past few sessions. I gotta get back on my A game. I haven't been taking the best trades. I've been profitable. I gotta build my confidence. You don't think I'm confident? Dang, that's crazy. I feel like I'm pretty confident, yo. No, I'm gonna definitely get me a Lucid account. I'm gonna get one tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be the first day that we trade on a Lucid account. Oh, I need your confidence. Confidence comes with practice, and it comes with a lot of blown accounts. I blew a lot of accounts, y'all. Don't get it twisted. Like before, I was consistently profitable. I blew a lot of accounts, but like as that was happening, I learned from each time. Every single time that I blew an account, I learned from it. So it was never a loss. It was more like a lesson. The problem is that like well, I won't say the problem is, but like what can happen is you can get wrapped up into continuously doing the same mistakes because you just feel like you're right. Stop thinking you're right. One of my favorite scriptures is fact. Yeah, one of my favorite scriptures uh talks about not I'm not gonna get too deep into it, but it just talks about um not leaning on your own understanding. Huh? Who? Who? What you mean? I didn't know you was playing the game. Wait, did I finish my thought? I don't even remember, y'all. But yeah, just uh, yeah, don't, yeah, just stop leaning on your own understanding. And I'm not gonna get too deep into it because then this will turn into a whole nother conversation. But um, let it go. Like just let yourself go. Right? Allow yourself to learn. Allow yourself to make mistakes. Um, but don't think that you're right or your way is right. Your way is the only way. Like, because then you won't be successful. You won't be successful in this. Continue to learn. Continue to be a student. And then, like I always say, like find your edge. Like find what works for you. Are you trailing your stops? I am, but I'm not at the same time. Like technically, like so, like in the morning, I'm not gonna lie. In the morning, this how I trail because it's a lot more volatile. I'm like literally on it. Like every pullback, I'm back here. But because it's more volatile, there's a lot more money being made on these dumps. Um, like I said, I'm just trying to give it some breathing room because I was down, and I just want price to continue to dump so I can hit my goal for the day was to make 800, and if I make that today, this trading day, I'll be eligible for a payout. So, unfortunately, we took two losses where I was down about a band before, um, finally getting back into profit. So, right now we're break even, and I don't necessarily want to be break even. I want to continue to give it some so that it can keep doing its thing. But I'll gradually like trail it. Like right now, this area right here, we'll secure some more profit. I don't want to get below the EMA just in case it wants to come back and touch it before coming back down, and I don't have time to do it. So I'm gonna give it that. Is 570 your goal? Discord link don't work. Hold on. Wait, the one in my bio. So you're using a bot? Yeah, I'm using a bot. I'll. That's literally. If you want access to the bot, it's this week. There's a free trial where you can use it for 3 days. Um, before you actually have to pay for it. If you want to use it on your own time instead of getting on my stream, um, I'll show you how to use it. I'll show you how to put it on your computer. Once I get a confirmation that you uh, have the tech. How did you learn how to use the bot? Um, so when you get it, like I said, the first well now just for this week, when you first get it, there's a few. It's private though, so like once you get access, um, you'll be able to see like private stream, like a live stream similar to this, but it's private, right? And then they'll break down how to use it, and you can the same way you're on YouTube right now. Any questions that you have of how to use it, how do I gain access? You have to go to my Discord. I just put it in my Discord, but I'm about to look for the the live stream now, and I'm gonna drop it in the chat for anybody that wants to. Yeah, I don't even know how to do that. Oh wait, I know how to get there. So right now she's still running. Like I said, usually if I wasn't, my goal wasn't to get to eight, you know, around the time I hit like 250 or whatever, I'm starting to protect my trade 250, 300. Let's see if I can. Oh, I never switched to YouTube. Okay, so we'll go to this. We'll go there. All right, cool. There we go. Oh, actually, I forgot. I put the link in the description as well. So it's a link. It's a link in the description. Let me see if it's the same link for the free one though. Because if not, then okay. All right, so you guys should be good. So in the description, right? Um, I'm trying it out. You can go to the free one. Go to the free one. Yeah, so it's in the description. It's the same. This link works too. The Discord is in the description. But yeah, so when you click on it, you'll see something like this. And right, it says 199, but you can once you tap on the 199, you can switch it to $0. Switch it to $0. All right, and then you'll have free access to it if you want to use it and you like it, then cool. So just free information. And then once you do that, like I said, if you're in my Discord, just hit me up on the side. So like send me a direct message, let me know that you're in. He said, "What it do? What it do?" Um, well, just let me know that you got it. Send me a message directly. Let me know that you got it or whatever, and I'll help you set it up on your computer. We could set up a time. Um, whatever day works for you, whatever. We'll set it up on your computer, and then as long as you have TradingView, then I could put it on. You have to have TradingView though. And it pays for itself, obviously. Like y'all see, like right now, right? Like, I mean, you learn how to read it. Oh yeah, yeah. So like usually when I get on a session, I explain like basically what you do. It's simple. Like if price is below the white EMA or the red EMA, you get a red arrow, then you can take that trade. Now, like with anything, it's not 100% accurate. I'm not gonna sit here and say it is. Um, but once you learn how to use it, you can take entries outside of this. Like so, if you understand break of structure, you understand trends, you understand how to trade off of supply and demand zones. It has everything up here for you. It automatically sets the stuff up, like the fair value gaps. Um, it tells you if you're at a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, or whatever. It tells you structure breaks. Um, but yeah, you pretty much like once you learn how to read it, then you trade off of it with your knowledge. So like I explain to everybody, like a calculator is only as smart as the person that's using it, right? My apex is end of day. I hate intraday drawdown. I hate that. I hate that shit with a passion. I hate it. I even want to curse, but I just had to for that. I do not like intraday. I feel like it's so dumb. But yeah, I have end of day trail. But I'm on level 4, so like technically I can lose up to like 3,000 in a day, but I would never allow myself to get that like, to lose that much. Solo Loso is my name. Okay, so when you get it, let's see. Like Solo, that's your Discord name? Oh, on Discord. Okay. Yeah, so I usually do the 1K daily lowest limit too. But that's kind of like why I would never like even though like the more money you make on your account, it goes up levels for Apex. So as you make more, your daily loss limit increases as well. So right now I'm on level 4 because I'm making so much money on this one account, and um, basically my daily loss limit is 3,000. Yeah. Oh, let me see if I can find your Discord. Okay, cool. Sure, bro. All right. Yeah. So again, I trade M. I scale in and out. Second, go 10. Moves been crazy. I'm scaling down. Scaling down has helped me out. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, y'all like this song? What song is this? I know. I don't know the exact name. It came out a while ago. It's drugs calling by Hurricane Wisdom and Lil Baby. You should have just stole it. Yeah, this song is tough. I didn't know y'all could really hear it. Yo, I've been flagged. I'm never gonna make money on my YouTube because I've been flagged for all the songs. So I'm really doing this for y'all. I hope y'all know. Like this is just free game, free and all that. All right, so we up like 400 on the account. Because I took the two losses first, but shoot or shoot. Um, so for those of y'all that's just now tuning in, shout out to y'all. But we took these setups. We knew price was going to go down, but we just caught some bad entries. So I entered here off of this arrow. We were in profit a little bit. I never protected my trade. We started reversing. And I was taking out here. I think we lost about 400 or $500 the first trade. Same thing here again, but this time I didn't wait for an arrow. I just tried to jump in the trade because I felt price was going to continue to push down. Once again, for some reason when we got in, it decided to reverse. But if I would just waited for this arrow, right, I could have just took this one trade, took a loss, waited for this arrow, and then we would have been hit our daily goal. I wouldn't even be in the trade no more. But we let the trade do its thing. It finally continued to go, and now we're just in the runner at this point. Like for real, keep going. Appreciate you. Thank you, bro. Euro just traded profit. Yeah, I know. But that's literally the point that I was trying to make. Like, yes, I took my losses, but instead of me saying like, "Oh man," like Imma just wait and hold it. It coulda continued to go up. So instead of me waiting to see if it's gonna go up or not, I'm done. Let me get out and let me find a better entry. Let me try it again, you know? And then now when I get the entry that I want or that I was expecting to have, you know, you catch runners like this, and you just kinda like, you know? But that's why I trade with the trend. I don't try to, like, reverse it. I don't try to predict that it's gonna bounce off of this level, and I don't do none of that. If it's selling, I'm going for the sales. I'm selling with the market. Like, I'm not going against the market. There's people with a lot of money that are pushing it in whatever direction that it's going for a reason, you know? So, I'm not trying to catch it at the tippity I said the tippity, but, like, I'm not trying to catch it at, like, the perfect, part where it's gonna reverse. Like, nah, if it's falling, I'm gonna fall with it. I'm not trying to, like, catch it going the other way. Nah. Yeah, stop overthinking it. Yeah, that's literally what it is. You go long at 29.57. No, I'm not going long. That's where it's gonna take me out at. It's a buy limit because I'm in the trade. So I'm gonna exit the trade here. But I'm not even gonna exit there, like, to be honest, like, that I just have that down there 'cause I'm trailing. I'm looking to make about 800 in profit so I can get my payout. This like, literally, I need one more, profitable day. If I get 800, then I'll get another withdrawal. Yeah, the trend is your friend. Like, that was, like, one of the first things that I learned when I started trading. The trend is your friend. All that, like, trying to catch the inverse of the fair value gap 5 minute I don't do none of that. I don't do any of that. Like, all that extra stuff, that's not me. I promise y'all, I don't do no crazy research. I don't try to, like, predict the market. I don't I don't get too deep into all of that. Now, don't get me wrong, if you know how to do that stuff, it's obviously it's gonna up your trading game. It's gonna make you a better trader. Don't get me wrong. So if learn it. But like my goal, especially while I'm streaming, is to show the person that's like, maybe you don't have time to learn all this stuff. You got a lot of stuff going on. You can have access to something like this. Technically, if I wasn't sitting here streaming with you guys, I would be looking at the charts. I wouldn't look at it. Like I'll be playing my video game. Like I'll play 2K. Um, you know, I'll go make something to eat or I'm listening to music. I'm chilling. Like I'm not sitting here looking at my computer all day like this. I'm not doing that. Yeah, nah, for sure, Marcus, because I want to be as authentic as possible. So, yeah, I always do this on stream just to show y'all, like, yo, like I'm not just like up here like telling y'all stuff. And I have results. So I'm gonna show y'all just from this account specifically. You believe in your setups. Yeah. Think about it. I was up here, everybody was just like, "Yeah, nah, they're getting it for buys." You was up here for that, right? Right, Fuji? Yeah, we're getting it for buys, we're doing this, that, and the third, and I'm just like, to be honest, like, I think it's gonna sell. Like, I got this bot, I invested in this bot, and it hasn't done me wrong. It hasn't. I trust it. But on I like I said, with the calculator thing, like it's only as good as the person that's using it. So, like, if you get a math equation and it says 4 plus 4, and then you get your calculator, right? And you type in 4 plus 3, you're still gonna get the answer wrong. It doesn't matter that you got it doesn't matter that you got the calculator. So you still have to, you know, be savvy enough to do both, you know, like have an understanding of the market. But like now when you have that and a bot, it's kind of hard to lose. Like you'll lose trades. Don't get me wrong. You'll lose trades, but like to have an unprofitable day. Come on, yo. Don't turn around on me now because I was talking my smack. I was talking shit just now, yo. Not really, right? All right. Hopefully, this EMA holds it and it continues its way down. Look at the 5 now. Almost, almost. So we up right now. Hopefully we don't end on a break even day. I think I'm gonna make 100. I mean 800. We was up about 400 before this candle wants to be a pain. Oh man, it might tag me out, y'all. Cause I was talking. I wasn't being nah. I was in it just now. Let me see. Dope analogy. Why you don't trade micros? Your point gave a like subscribe. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. For sure, J Ray. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, I'm just about to show y'all. For those of you that are on this session and you know, I'm like transparent. Uh, a lot of people up it's a lot of people that you probably watch, they don't really show you like how much they make on a trade or like they're very like um secretive about that. Like I'm I'm not the richest person in the world. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I made millions off of trading. No. Like I'm just like you. I'm just like you. I'm just streaming while I'm doing this. But I've had some type of success. So um, I'm just sharing what I know. I don't know everything. Like it's people that's come up here and they've actually taught me. So I'm still a student. Like you may compare and you may have a better trading journey than me. I can't wait to trade full time. I drive trucks. Oh, you got your CDL? Do you go like do you like cross country or like oh so- oh it's the top of the hour. That's why. Come on, just give me one more little like push down local in Texas. Texas is a big state. You might as well be driving across the country. Yo, might as well. Might as well, fruity. Footsie. Footsie. Am I even saying that right? Footsie. Texas is a big state. I like Texas though. Me and my girl, we're like thinking about moving to a place either down south or somewhere like Texas. That's what's up. Come on, yo, you playing? I don't like that wick, y'all. That wick is trash. That wick is like no bueno. Hopefully, that level holds. Hopefully, this level holds. Let's see what we doing. Yeah, it crossed over. This MSB is saying market structure break. It's just showing that the the direction may be changing. Also, it's showing us that it's about even as far buyers and sellers in the market. Hopefully, it's not strong enough to push through this. Like I said, I just need a one little more push down to get the 8, but I might get tagged out at break even for real. A break even day. Basically, I didn't really win. I might be like negative what? If it tags me out, it'll probably be negative like no more than 100. There we go. That's what I like to see. That's the wick I like. Come on, stop playing with me. Joking. I was just joking, yo. I was just joking. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Yeah. Thank you. Chill out. There you go. Thank you. All right. I'm about to show y'all my move here. So yeah, because what I'm paying right now. ridiculous. And I seen, you know, big ass houses in Texas that I could be, you know, starting a nice big family in for the same. Why don't you close it in profit? I don't. I mean, uh, I should actually close it. What happened? We might get tagged out, y'all. I'm not trying to get tagged out though. All right, so look, they're giving away homes here. All right, y'all. So for those of y'all that's never been on a session, just to show y'all this, open this one account that we're trading right now. Stopped out in. We had, hold on, how many sessions is it? 23 sessions, right? Yeah, 23 sessions. All right. We had one, two, three bad days. We had three bad days. Or I won't say bad days. We had three unprofitable days where we finished the trading day unprofitable. I was just up like 500, but I won eight. I just got tagged back out. Were you done playing?
Yeah, I'm done.
You gonna show just your eyeball? I can see you looking at me.
They,
Yeah, you right
oh, they
there.
just. Oh, let me back up. I didn't know that. I was looking in this. No, I did
Yeah.
not.
She was trying to get her 15 seconds of fame.
Oh, I'm about to go there. Let's play a game.
You say you finished.
Go finish. I just you gotta do stuff I don't feel like doing. Mm.
I think it's my last one. Well, I don't know. We're gonna end the day profitable, y'all.
Why look like
What?
yeah, lava? Was it like that?
Allah?
I just watch it different. Cause
Because this is my back thing from the stream, so I can see what's going on. I used to listen to Young Dolph all day, yo.
I never knew how he looking to right now.
He would look like that though, for real, for real. He doing that because of the. That's mad funny.
He looks dirty.
He do. He look bad dirty.
He don't look dirty like that.
No, I'm saying like right here, but he don't look like that all the time.
Just sometimes.
That's why I know like he
The
don't.
black
He
man.
just doing it. He doing it. He doing it because of the scene. Like, nah, that's mad funny. Said, what you in now? I'm not in anything. Oh, hold on. Damn. Yeah, I'm not in any. It tagged me out. It tagged me out. With negative 124. So remember we was down. I was down about a band. I actually feel better. It's hot though. Yeah, turn the AC on. I like being cold, y'all. What's y'all Wednesday night? It was still a stream. As long as y'all learned something. There's mad people that got on and They made money too. That's how he look. Oh no, dang, I messed it up.
You can't see me. Well, of course you will. How much they can see me?
A lot.
Babe! We look the same. Outfit is different.
No, I wanted to show you. He be shaving.
I'm tired, but I can't go to bed. Mm-hmm. That was the game.
My comeback was strong. Oh, you want to watch me play?
And the ice cream.
The comeback was strong though. We got 22. Oh, we got 23 likes on the stream. We get to 25. I get two more.
Inside? Like the heart?
I guess so.
Um,
Oh no, I don't know.
I was trying to figure out the other person.
I really don't know. Under the stream, like this part right here, you just click like this part, not the hearts.
What?
Like the hearts is that's for the chat.
I know this
Sitting
one.
outside the corner store.
I didn't even know how you look.
It's a motherfucking no.
Oh my
Asking tall as fuck though. When it's time to smoke, just do some like good looking. Oh, Lone Wolf, appreciate you.
God.
I didn't see Ranger tonight. I didn't see Ranger tonight. Then I'm on a plane, about to go get some money or go spend some money. I don't want you to.
Go to the.
And I pray for you to fall. You didn't think about your past.
Sure, put this in.
I just kind of came to this demand level. It didn't like fully. But it's getting a lot more volatile. We the mob. Got a 15-minute engulfing candle off.
Did we all turns?
Or MAGA. Yeah, my pinky ring, extra large. Phones are in the garage. Mhm. Now 10 a week. You didn't need 100 shot. Oh, we went way past 25. Okay. Appreciate y'all with the likes, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Preach one of my favorites. Yeah. I think it's about to play next. Yeah, yeah, it's about to play next. Oh, what a feeling. What happened? You say you've been asleep all day? Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I had a headache. I was feeling bad all day myself. Then I got on the stream. I started feeling good. That's how I know y'all make me feel good, y'all. Cause of me. You think I gave you my sickness? Nah, we was sick. You wasn't sick when I was sick earlier. And then you saying you just now getting sick? You just now getting sick?
No, I was sick all day. My God,
So we was both sick. See if we was both sick. Now, if I was sick,
you was yesterday.
because I was sick too. So if I was sick and then I'm feeling better, and then now all of a sudden you sick, then I gotta
I've been sick all
get
day.
we was sick together.
I'm sick because of you, y'all. Send me back up because he gonna be sick next.
You're chatted. Yo, how much I say? I'm still
You talking
down.
about weight?
Y'all see how she trying to be funny? She over here talking about some. She trying. Nah. Oh, this my boy. Oh yeah, he was with me on the session. What was it? My last session maybe. O's. Yo, bro, I did the same thing. I baited on the first two trades.
I blew my
Came
account.
came back. Anyway, what? It's 1,000 though. Also, you didn't blow it. Oh, that's what it said. Oh, I gotta see.
It's not blown, but it's $1,000.
So you hit your daily loss.
I'm not doing this one.
Yo, your feelings is hurt. It's okay. Um, man, what was I saying?
Who was with you on the last session?
Oh yeah, yeah. So I did the same thing. I baited the first two trades, and then we came back with a banger. But I was up maybe like 1,200, and then it reversed and tagged me out after trailing my stop. So my total P&L, I was up like $400 or $500. My goal was today to get um my payout. So look like it's starting to give us what we want again.
Wow. This is a song in a club I was going crazy for.
You don't like this one?
I love this song. I'm saying, like,
Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitches. Real bosses don't talk. She like to argue, so I sent
that bitch to law school.
keep it real with your dog no matter what. Uh-huh. Yup. What does the green mean? The green means buy, but it's like telling you like a reversal. Like because of where price is, if you're getting a green arrow below the white image, it's talking about
No, stop.
reversal setup. But I don't usually take those. You can take them. You can make money off. Like I said, like I got the scanner up. You can take whatever trade you want based off of what you see. But I see a lot of red. I see the market going down. I like to trade with the trend. If it decides to do one of these, then that's cool. But I won't necessarily like take it. It's a more risky. It's a more risky trade going against the trend. Preach.
I'm buying medicine tomorrow.
The only thing I trust is this pistol and these slugs. I ain't got shit for none in this motherfucker.
Why you doing that? That was weird. That was fun.
Jay, what's popping? There we go.
Don't tell me gonna let me.
We get need to start trying red again. Let me get a red arrow. I'm gonna take that.
Probably next year sometime.
Anything for the clean, crisp taste.
20. I like this 5-minute engulfing candle to the downside.
Engage in epic ripple battles. Strike your enemies.
Yeah, market got super volatile. Got push on this session, so that's likely why. I'm gonna enter a little early. I like the setup. This will be my last trade of the day, y'all. This will be the last trade of the day. Win or lose, I'm done. Finito. So, see the price wants to this fair value gap, and then maybe get below this demand zone, and that should give me enough for my payout. That I will be requesting tomorrow afternoon, Monday afternoon. Oh, come on.
Sorry, I was gonna do that.
Yeah.
Why are you gonna with that? I'm not gonna do that. Stay up here.
Let's go. Come on. She about to dunk. We gonna get up out of here. Yes, sir. This one looking like we expected to shut it down. Downward trend line. And, get that PT. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, hold on. Let me pull this down before it gets me out. Before I need it to. All right. So the trade's protected. We can't lose. We can only break even, and that's how you do it. Hopefully, we can break through this point of interest, though. All
All right, I see you when you come back.
right. I'll be there in a few. We're about to be done. Talk to me. Talk to me, Drake. Let's go.
Yeah. Go hands on shelves like Amazon distribution center. Hell, really dirty work.
Yo, I ate mad cherries. Look at what these cherries I ate. Bodied them cherries. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. We get that payout. Another one. Payout number. Let me see. It's about to be number 4, y'all. Number 4 on this account. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop playing. Stop playing. Let's go. Come on. Uh-huh. Fuck my ex. Fuck my ex. Let's go. Come on, Nas. Uh-huh. You turn. Fuck my ex. Come on, why you playing? Why you playing? Come on, we out of here, y'all. We gotta get up out of here. All right, we at 7. Uh-huh. I don't know. I ain't trying to bait y'all. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Damn, I thought we was gonna get it on the song. I thought we was on that song, y'all. Come on. Oh nah. We gonna get on this one. This is the song right here. This is the song. I know what song Nas need to hear. I know what song Nas need to hear. I know exactly what song she need to hear. I know. What's up, Habib? I'm getting that payout, right? This what Nas want to hear? I think that's what she want to hear. Woo! Hold on, let me go ahead and take. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm already up, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. No. See, I baited. Yo, it's right there. Come on, push back down. Push back down. Hey, we did that. And my computer about to die. Oh, I knew she needed to hear this. She needs this. Y'all witnessed it here. All right, so we basically went 2-2 on the session. And then we had one break even. So we went hold on, let me turn it down. We went 2-2 on the session. We had 2 wins, 2 losses, and we had one break even. That sounds like but like we're in profit. I want y'all to put that into perspective when I say the best loser wins. They did not win every trade. That makes sense. Do that make sense? The best loser wins. We won this trade here to here. We won this trade from here to here. Lost from here to here. Lost from here to here. Oh wait, wait. The break even trade up. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Oh no, we didn't go break even. I forgot. It stopped us. It just stopped us out. We didn't go break. I'm chatting. I'm chatting. So we went 2-2. We went 2-2. We lost 2. Then we won another one, got our get back off that one trade, and then the next trade that we won, we gained our profit. It's payout time, y'all. It's payout time. So now that will make 24 sessions where we went 21 sessions profitable and we went 3 sessions unprofitable. Did I do the math right on that? What am I talking about? Hold on. Let me say that again. Let me say that again. So that's 24 sessions. 24 sessions. 3 out of those 24 sessions we were unprofitable. Just 3. So wow, look at that. Dang. If anybody got in that trade with me, y'all eating right now. I don't care if you was on a mini or a mic, you should be up. You should be up. Whether you was on a mini or a micro. You should have ate today. And like I said, I'm not hiding no screen telling y'all, oh, I'm in a trade and y'all can't see. Y'all see what's going on. I took my losses with y'all, I took my wins with y'all. And we're gonna try to do that for the rest of the week. We're gonna try to do that for the rest of the week, y'all. Um 2 hours and 30 minutes. Who was able to make $850. I don't know where else you're doing that at, but good session. We're gonna thank God once again for another beautiful day, another beautiful session. Um, may He continue to bless me and continue to bless everyone here on this stream. Um, y'all keep doing y'all thing, man. It's been fun. Hopefully you guys have some fun. Hopefully you guys learn something. Hopefully I'm able to give you guys some confidence. If you haven't started trading yet, start trading. Hopefully I give you guys some confidence for those that are trading already to really just run this up, man, and not think too hard into like what you're doing. Like have fun with it. Have fun. Um, but love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Same time. Tomorrow. If you're not on Discord, jump in the Discord. And yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Let's get to it.
What kind of man
About to vibe out.
Yeah, my brother said he wanted to be. I'm a get him. My new say don't know how I live. She shopping at Arrow.
Good night, y'all.
Got no fuck again. He copping at
We are done for the night.
They fixable smoke where you see us outside of my nigga. The shit like the bag is it's gonna carry on. These boys dress up and think that they somebody shit is like Comic Con. My watch is so faster than praying. You lucky it's Ramadan. Otherwise they would be posted outside like the Pentagon. You niggas be hitting the net for some love. You a tennis ball. Take 500K down to dinner. I never put Earth for none. I was my name and I'm scared too loud because you gotta come here and you know I pop out. We turn up Coachella and we back and down and we might do this cycle. We turn for it out. If you my nigga and second, my nigga, like what's in my crew? They calling me right now. Come up to me and you want to know rockers who know how you.
All right, my boy Coop. I'ma see you. We done, y'all. By the time I see y'all, we're gonna be taking this payout. Next time I see y'all. Ah. Amen.